Oh.
Greetings to all listeners. I am Pooja Ramavtar Sharma, Faculty of Fine Arts at SRN International School, Jagatpura, Jaipur. I welcome you all to the official YouTube channel of SRN International School. This video is based on the career counseling session. I will explain you about fine arts and how it would be helpful in career making. Let's begin with today's career counseling session of fine arts. What is art education? The very first question. Art educations refer to learning, instruction, programming based upon the visual and tangible arts. Art education include performing arts like dance, music, theatre and visual arts like drawing, painting, sculpture and design works. Types of art. First, commercial and second is fine arts. All the art is an expression of creativity, emotion and imagination. There is a difference when it comes to the commercial art and fine arts. Commercial art include advertising, graphic, designing, branding, logo, books and illustrations, where fine arts include painting, sculptures, printmaking, applied arts. Classification of arts. First is commercial art. Commercial art is related to the fulfillment of our material or physical needs. The commercial art has more utility and usefulness in it, so it is purely professional in nature. For example, like car painter, jewelry making art, stone making artwork, pottery making art, handicraft making, etc. Classification of art. Second is fine art. Fine art is related to the fulfillment of our mental needs. This art is related to the beauty and formal study of art. Fine art has 5 different kind of art: poetry, music, painting, sculpture and architecture. Therefore, fine arts are more important than commercial art as they carry the sense of happiness and beauty. Introduction of fine arts. Fine arts encompass subjects such as design, sculpture, architecture, pottery, interior designing, painting. Fine art essentially is an art form which includes objects mainly created for concept. Importance of fine arts. The importance of fine art is undoubtedly true from the ancient period to today's modern scientific period. Art is now remain everywhere in human life. Today human beings feel happiness and pleasure because of arts. And when with the help of arts we decorate beautifully and map our lives. The formal study of art since the beauty is related to the fine arts and essentially common man automatically get excited and emotion when he sees a good art and he gets involved in looking at arts. Benefits of fine arts. Build confidence, develop motor skills, gives a boost to imagination, enhance creativity, improve ability to foster new techniques, improve the academic performance. Some more parts of fine arts. Painting, the action or the skill of using painting either in a picture or as decoration. Applied arts. Applied arts is a practical implementations of arts and designing principles. Next is sculptures. A sculpture is a work of art that is produced by carving or shaping a material like stone, wood, clay, etc. Painting. Painting is the practice of applying painting, pigment, color, or the other medium to a surface. The medium is commonly applied to the base with a brush, but other objects can be used. The term painting describes both the action and the result of action. However, the painting is also used outside of arts as a common trait among craftsmen and builders. Medium of paintings. Painting is the practice of applying paint, pigment, colors or other mediums to a solid surface called the matrix or a support. The difference between medium used in the arts are oil painting, watercolor painting, pastel painting, acrylic painting, digital painting, ink wash painting, hot wax painting, spray painting, wall painting, tempera painting, sand painting. Top colleges for painting: University of Mumbai, MIT School of Fine Art and Applied Art, Pune, Amit University, Lucknow, University of Rajasthan in Jaipur, IGNOU in Delhi, University of Delhi in New Delhi, Mahatma Jyoti Rao Phule University in Jaipur, College of Arts in New Delhi. Applied arts. Applied art is a practical implementation of arts and designing principle. It is a creative form of design that expresses technical skills. Applied arts largely overlap with the decorative art, and the modern making of applied art is usually called design. Applied arts is a commercial program for creative peoples who are good in imagination and able to create new ideas for industrial design, mass produce object, architecture, also counted as fine art, fashion design, ceramic art, automotive art, calligraphy, interior designing, graphic designing, cartography, map design. Top colleges for applied art: MIT World Peace University in Pune, College of Art in New Delhi, Noida International University in UP, Amit University in Lucknow, Sir J.J. School of Art in Mumbai, Purnima University in Rajasthan, Arch College of Design in Jaipur. Sculpture arts. The sculpture is a field of endless material possibility and can exist in a multiple dimension. Sculpture is an art of figuring objects featuring a person, thing or an idea using material like rock, clay, wood, etc. An expert sculptor is in a huge demand and has good prospect to choose sculpture as a career. Without such harmony, beauty is almost impossible to achieve. The best part of sculpture are stone sculpture, wood sculpture, clay sculpture, lead sculpture, bronze sculpture. Top college for sculpture art: College of Art in New Delhi, Sir J.J. School of Art in Mumbai, University of Rajasthan in Jaipur. SICOM. Courses and duration in fine arts: UG undergraduate course, BFA Bachelor of Fine Arts is a 3 years undergraduate program which is the academic study of arts work such as painting, sculpture, photography and others. The course is also known as BVA. The duration of this course is up to 4 to 5 years. Minimum qualification required: 10 plus 2. BA, Bachelor of Arts in Fine Arts, is an undergraduate course that is done under the art stream and majorly consisting of subject related to fine arts. The duration of the course is 3 years. PG, Postgraduate in Fine Arts. MFA, Master of Fine Arts, is a practice-based postgraduate degree in art subject. It is a well-established qualification for work in art and design. The duration of this course is 2 years. MA, Master of Fine Arts, is a 2-year postgraduate degree that can be pursued in different subjects also. Diploma courses for the duration of 1 to 2 years. Diploma in Fine Art is a certificate level course in the domain of arts and its related areas. The courses are Diploma in Painting, Diploma in Applied Art, Diploma in Sculpture, Junior Diploma course for part 1. It is like for 6 months. Junior Diploma course part 2. It is also for 6 months. Certificate course in Painting, Certificate course in Visual Art, CVAP. Top colleges in India offering fine arts. Sir J.J. Institute of Applied Arts in Mumbai, College of Arts in New Delhi, University of Mumbai in Maharashtra, University of Rajasthan in Jaipur, St. Stephen's College in Delhi, Loyola College in Chennai, Savitribai Phule University in Pune, Amida University, Noida in UP, IIS demand to be a university in Jaipur, Government College of Fine Arts in Chennai. Top design, arts, architecture, colleges and course. NID design test is a means through which are shortlisted for admission in UG and PG design courses offered at the prestigious National Institute of Design NID. Campus candidates need to clear 2 NID admission tests in order to be eligible for admission in Bachelor of Designing in Interior Design, Bachelor of Design in Product Design, Bachelor of Design in Animation Film Design, Bachelor of Design in Graphic Design, Master of Design in Media Design, Master of Design in Photography Design, Master of Design in Lifestyle, Graduate Diploma Program in Design, GDPD, is also conducted by NID. National Institution of Fashion Technology, NIFT, is the one of the top and the most popular design colleges in India, and it takes its admission only through its national level entrance exam, also called NIFT. This exam is a perfect gateway of designing like you to get admission in different undergraduate and postgraduate professional program in designing and fashion technology fields are be designing bachelor of programs like fashion designing, leather designing, master's program, master of designing, master of fashion management, masters of fashion technology. Some more entrance exam and colleges for fine arts. NATA, National Aptitude Test in Architecture. USEED, Underground Common Entrance Exam. SEED, Common Entrance Exam for Design. Some of the institutes are offering the entrance examination before the admissions. This entrance examination contains the screening group, discussions and interview of candidate. Fine arts graduates can available a career option in various job profiles such as commercial artist, visiting artist, painting, muralist, teacher, private and government also. Painting engineer, interior designer, comic artist, art director, graphic designer, art administrator, 3D artist, etc. Employment areas in fine arts: advertising companies, boutiques, art studio, fashion houses, educational institution, animation, television industry, textile industry, sculpture. I hope you have understood the career option in the field of fine arts. If you want to move on this career path, you can definitely opt for fine arts as your subject. If you still have any query, please drop in the comment section. You will get the reply soon, and kindly like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you very much.